Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you as an Excel Pro how to insert a bullet point. We are aware that in Microsoft Word to insert a bullet point is easy like that. You just need to select, then press this. So I'm going to show you how to do this in Excel in a simple way. So in Excel there are two methods actually which I'm going to show you to highlight you very fast. So the first method is by using the symbol method. For instance, you can go to insert, symbol, and here. Then you need to search for those symbols. For instance, where to insert that symbol, so you just scroll somewhere here. Okay, this can change. This need to be area, for instance, and you go to the, so it's a bit tedious for the first method. Then this one here, then insert, so you need to keep it this way and close. Then for instance, it's here, copy, you see how tedious it is, paste just like that, you see. So it is like this. This is how to do to insert bullet points, the first method. So the second method is by just using the char method. Just need to select, click equal sign, then char, then because, for instance, sorry, equal sign, then char, then 149, character 149. So by pressing enter, so that's the way it is. So this is the simple way of inserting bullet points. So I've shown you two methods, by using symbol method and by using char method. I think the char method is very simple. So thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and drop a like. Thank you a lot.